In this documentary, we'll guide you through the fascinating process of making a tasbih step by step. First, we begin by cutting the wood into smaller pieces, preparing the raw material for shaping. Each piece is carefully crafted, ready for the transformation ahead. Next, these wooden pieces are sliced into circular discs, forming the base for the individual beads. Precision is key as we shape the future tasbih. Following this, we drill tiny holes into each disc. These holes will serve as the passage through which the string runs, connecting the beads together. After drilling, we extract each bead from the wood, piece by piece, ensuring every bead is perfectly shaped and uniform. Then, the beads are carefully polished. This step smoothens the surface, ensuring a flawless finish, ready for further treatment. Once polished, we apply oil and color to each bead, enhancing their natural beauty and adding vibrant hues. After oiling and coloring, the beads are left to dry. This step ensures that the color sets in and the oil absorbs fully into the wood. Finally, the dried beads are threaded together, one by one, until the tasbih takes its final form. At the end, we have beautifully crafted prayer beads, each unique in shape and design. With every step, attention to detail is key, ensuring that each tasbih is a piece of art, ready to be used for reflection and worship. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button and share your valuable thoughts in the comments. We also encourage you to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos and documentaries. Your support helps us continue creating more educational and inspiring content.